How to fix nearby people not showing up on Telegram app. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how or what you could do to be able to fix this feature of Telegram. So let's say the nearby people is not working on your Telegram app. So what you could do, whether you're on an iPhone or on an Android, is you go to your settings over here and you check out all the different app permissions that it has. Check out your app permissions over here. As you can see, for example, for me, my location is not enabled. So this is something that you would want to check out. Make sure that this is enabled or allowed all the time. But if it's already on, you could turn it off for now and then restart your app where you could go here and click on force stop and then turn it on again, which could also possibly work in fixing your problem. And aside from that, you could also check out other permissions over here if there are other options over here that are not allowing your Telegram to function properly. And of course, you could try clearing the data, reinstalling it, and your typical other information. Also, check out if you're in developer mode because in developer mode, you are able to actually spoof your location or change your location like a VPN. So make sure that you are not running any apps related to that. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.